Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about an important topic, the Federal Reserve System. But don't worry, we'll keep it simple and easy to understand. So, what is the Federal Reserve System? Well, it's like a big bank for the whole United States. Imagine, if the United States was a giant piggy bank, the Federal Reserve would be like the one who takes care of that piggy bank. The Federal Reserve System was created a long time ago, in 1913, to make sure the economy works smoothly. You see, the economy is like a big puzzle, and the Federal Reserve helps make sure all the puzzle pieces fit together nicely. The Federal Reserve has three main jobs. First, it makes sure there's enough money in the country. If there's too much, prices might go up too fast. If there's too little, things can get tough for people. So, they try to keep it just right. Second, the Federal Reserve controls something called interest rates. Think of interest rates like the cost of borrowing money. When they want to encourage people to spend, they make borrowing cheaper by lowering interest rates. When they want to slow down spending, they raise interest rates to make borrowing more expensive. Third, the Federal Reserve watches over banks to make sure they play by the rules and keep your money safe. They want to make sure banks don't take too many risks that could harm the economy. So, in simple terms, the Federal Reserve System is like the financial superhero that helps keep the economy in balance. It's like the referee in the game of money to make sure everything is fair and runs smoothly. The Federal Reserve, often called the Fed, is the central bank of the United States. It plays a crucial role in managing the country's economy. Here's how the Federal Reserve works in simple terms. Central banking system. The Federal Reserve is made up of 12 regional banks spread across the United States, with the main office in Washington, D.C. It's like a big banking system for the entire country. Three main functions. A. Controlling the money supply. One of the Fed's main jobs is to control the amount of money circulating in the economy. It does this by buying and selling government securities, like bonds. When it buys these securities, it injects money into the economy, and when it sells them, it takes money out. This helps keep inflation in check and supports economic growth. B. Setting interest rates. The Fed influences interest rates, which affect how expensive or cheap it is to borrow money. To do this, it sets something called the federal funds rate. When it wants to encourage borrowing and spending, it lowers the rate. When it wants to slow down the economy to prevent overheating or control inflation, it raises the rate. C. Bank supervision. The Federal Reserve supervises and regulates banks to ensure they follow rules and operate safely. This helps protect people's money in the banking system and maintain financial stability. Board of Governors. The Fed is led by the Board of Governors, consisting of 7 members appointed by the President and confirmed by the Senate. They are like the decision-makers of the Fed and set the overall direction for the central bank. Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC. This committee, made up of members from the Board of Governors and regional banks, meets regularly to make important decisions, like setting interest rates and managing the money supply. Independence. The Federal Reserve is designed to be independent from political influence. This means it can make decisions in the best interest of the economy without being swayed by short-term political considerations. In summary, the Federal Reserve works by managing the money supply, influencing interest rates, and supervising banks to ensure the stability and health of the U.S. economy. It's like the financial guardian that helps keep the economy on track and ensures the smooth operation of the country's financial system. And that's it. We hope you found this video helpful in understanding the Federal Reserve System a bit better. If you have any questions or want to learn more about economics or any other topics, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-understand videos.